to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. My friend Ozzy and I are playing with blocks. We're building a really big tower. It's great, isn't it?
Oh no.
Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Joe. You could make a very big tower with those blocks.
Yes, I could. Anyway, what can I do for you?
It's time for a very important delivery, Joe.
Every delivery is important to us at Dizzy Deliveries.
That's why you're the best delivery man in Ireland, Joe.
Thank you, Aisling.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a ruler, tennis rackets, and a ball to the sports centre.
Oh, it's so exciting!
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Casper.
Casper will help you with your deliveries. He is waiting for you with sports instructor Trina.
Great! Well, here we are at the sports centre.
Jump!
There you are.
Yeah.
Hello, Casper.
Hello.
Hello, Joe. I'm Trina.
Hello, Trina. Casper, do you like to run?
Yes.
We should have a race.
Mm-hmm.
I think I will win.
I will win.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I will win.
I will win now.
Ready, steady, go! I'm tired. Oh, my deliveries.
Hello, Joe. Don't forget about your deliveries. Casper needs the ruler to measure how far he can jump. Let's love sign. Jump. Jump. U sign. Jump. Good. Jump.
Casper! I have a delivery for you. A ruler!
No, it's too small.
Oh, wait here. A ruler.
Yes, that's the long ruler.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I'm win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match.
Let's love sign. Match. Match. U sign. Match. Good. Match.
Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
Action!
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, it's broken. Oh. We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this.
Let's love sign. Ball. Ball. U sign. Ball. Good. ball?
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. A football. Let's go!
Go for Casper! Go for Casper!
Wait. Hello, Aisling.
Joe, are you playing football?
Well, you said to have fun.
Yes, but now we have more deliveries to make.
Fine. Casper, I've had a great day. But I have to go to work. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.